All right, those were our 2 fully cooked hams in our crock pot. I'm now gonna come in with my trimmed green beans, and we are going to fill up the rest of our crock pot with these delicious green beans. These are fresh green beans that come already washed, and we're just kind of squeezing them here and there. We want them to touch the sides of the crock pot so that they can get fully cooked. But this is gonna be a super delicious all-in-one dinner for Easter. I absolutely love ham for Easter, and this recipe is a game changer. I love these hams that you can get at the grocery store. They're super affordable. They feed a lot of people, and they kind of look like little Easter eggs in there, which I think is just an extra fun little detail. So we're getting all of our green beans in there. Yummy. Now for the star of the show, we have to have some sweetness with our hams. We're gonna add 2 cans of crushed pineapple right on top of those hams. Yummy. And I'm just gonna kind of spread that so it can fall onto the edges. I think I might have used a little bit too much. Maybe you guys can just use 1 can of pineapple, but this is gonna be sweet, yummy, and delicious.
I love pineapple.
Me too. And to add to that sweetness, we have some light brown sugar, and we are going to dust our entire crock pot with the sugar. And as this cooks, that pineapple juice is just gonna run down those hams, get really into those crevices, and get this all nice and marinated. Ooh, and that sugar is gonna caramelize. Those green beans are gonna get nice and soft. This is gonna be delicious. And for seasoning, we're gonna keep it simple. We just have our ground cinnamon, which goes perfectly with all of these other flavors, with the ham, with the pineapple, the brown sugar. Now, make sure not to get any of that cinnamon on the green beans, because that could be a little bit of a turnoff for people, but this is gonna be so good because it cooks all together all at once. And with all crock pots, you do need some liquid, and we chose orange juice because that is just gonna really emphasize all of those other flavors. You could do water if you prefer, or you could do a apple juice. I feel like apple and ham also go really well together, but that looks absolutely perfect. And we're not gonna mix this up or anything. Like I said, as it cooks, those juices are just gonna caramelize and make that ham absolutely delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this on high so that it can be ready for dinner time. All right, Easter dinner is ready. We're gonna turn this off. We had it on high for 4 hours.
Ooh.
Slow roasted and toasted. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a pineapple dream in here. All right, I do have my cutting board right next to me, and this is gonna be the most delicious ham we've ever seen. Oh yeah. Get that underneath. Ooh, it's already falling apart. That's how you know this is perfectly cooked. We're gonna just cut this, even though you probably don't even need to cut it. Oh, look at those juicy insides. This is gonna be the best Easter crock pot dinner. I'm gonna grab a couple pieces of my ham. Ooh, flew on you, you okay?
It got me a little, but we're good.
All right, and then of course, we gotta grab those green beans that look absolutely incredible. And that juice. Moment of truth. We have our pineapple brown sugar ham with our slowly roasted green beans.
Is it good?
Wow. That pineapple in that?